Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to add a video pop-up using a hidden layer technique for an ebook produced with our software. This is an ebook I'm viewing in iBooks. When I click on the play button, the video appears and begins to play. When I click on the stop button, the video disappears and I'm brought back to the page. Now I'll show you how to build this interactivity using our toolset. First, I'll make a new layer, and I'll name it Movie. Next, I'll create a frame using the Rectangle Frame tool in InDesign, and make sure that I've built that frame in the Movie layer. Make sure the frame is the correct aspect ratio. For example, my video is 640 by 400. So I made a frame that's 320 by 200, so that the video will appear at half its size. Next, you'll apply the movie enrichment using the AVE interactivity panel. I'll click on File and choose my movie, which is an MP4. Now for the Stop button. I'll also make a new layer above the movie layer named Stop. I'll create the Stop button in this new layer. Now you can add the interactivity to the Play button. First, select the frame you want to be your active play button. There are 3 actions that this button needs. The first 2 will make the video and the stop button visible, and the last action will play the movie. I'll choose Button for the interactivity within the panel. Next, I'll add my first tap action. I'll use Frame using Frame Picker to pick the movie frame. I'll set this to change visibility and make it visible. Now I'll add the second tap action. I'll use Frame using Frame Picker to pick the stop button. I'll set this to change visibility and make it visible. Lastly, I'll add the third tap action. I'll use Frame using Frame Picker, choose the movie frame, and set to execute to play. The last thing you need to do is set the actions for the stop button. I'll select the stop button, apply the button enrichment, and add 3 actions. The actions for stop will be to hide the visibility of the movie and the stop button, and to execute stop for the movie. My first tap action will be defined as Frame using Frame Picker. I'll choose the stop button and I'll change the visibility to hidden. I'll create the same kind of action for the movie frame. And finally, I'll create the last tap action using Frame Picker and select the movie. I'll set the action to stop. The last thing you need to do before you render your pages is to hide the visibility of the movie and the stop button in the Layers panel. Now I can generate the project and choose Test once the generation is complete. Choosing Test will send your ePub to My Kiosk. Once you open it in My Kiosk, click on the icon in the top right of your screen to open your ePub in iBooks. Your ePub will automatically open in iBooks, and you can test out your movie. When I tap the play button, the movie appears and starts playing. When I tap the stop button, the movie stops playing, and the stop button and the movie are no longer visible. I hope this movie demystifies one way you can add a video in ePub using the Aquafatis toolset. Thanks for watching.